Ah.
Do you go over a smidge?
Missed. Hey y'all, this is Shalom Meadows. We're back at it again. Flipping this old rundown 1960s, 1970s office trailer building into our home. And look here y'all, we're starting off the video on Monday in the light. And as we said, we're going to take that window out and we're going to flip it around, put it back in. So it shouldn't take that long. Should just take screws out, cut the caulk around it, take it out, and put it back, screw it, caulk it again. And then we're going to start the ceiling again. We're going to try to finish up the ceiling the best we can. I'm not saying it's going to be done this video because we got to tape, we got to mud, we got to put up some trim, we got to paint, we got to do all of that. So I'm not saying that's all going to be done in this video. There might be a part 2 to that. But do appreciate y'all coming back. And if you're new here, I ask you to consider subscribing. And then if you're watching and you hadn't subscribed, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing. Click that notification bell so you all know our videos are coming out every Monday and Wednesday. Let's get to work.
Alright, so here I am again, cutting caulk.
I did tell y'all one of these days we might be in here during the daytime on Monday. So
sooner than expected.
Yeah, sooner than expected. You're getting a little bit of daylight. So I'm not saying this whole video is going to be in the daylight. I'm not saying I'm going to have on the same clothes, but I'm glad you're watching.
Around these corners is what.
I'm sorry y'all, we keep doing these windows. Now hopefully this is it. Okay, and we, like I said, we're not doing another window until we do the one in the bathroom, which should be a few months from now. But the way we work, it might be sooner.
But next thing is getting the walls up, getting mud and tape on the walls, paint, floors, and kitchen.
Crap. Trying to save
so, unless of course something else comes up.
Gonna mess with you though. You 6'8", 400 pounds. What? Excuse me, sir. What was that you said? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
There should be one down there at the bottom.
I don't think so. Yes, y'all. You're not seeing things. I have a paintbrush. Dollar Tree. It's not cloth. And yeah, Dollar Tree's 30 to 45 minutes away, depending on how long it takes you to get there and where you're at. We were in town, so got a good old, man, outrageous $1.37. It ain't a dollar no more.
You okay?
About lost my life. I missed a step. I thought I was done.
Well, it's easy to miss.
That bird wasn't irritated. That bird was warning me. That bird was chirp, chirp, chirp. Watch your step. Well, chirp, 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 chirp. Watch your step. Hey, see it quit.
We have half a step here, so you actually have to watch your step. We have to replace pretty much all this. plan is to replace it all. Replace this one, little by little, and put them together to make one big deck.
Right now, while we're low on budgets, you won't take my idea.
Nope, he wants to get some, cinder blocks.
So you can get you can tear all that down, get some cheap cinder blocks, and make some railing to hold on to walk up the cinder block.
Yeah, I don't want to do that.
Until we get the budget to build a new deck. Right down again.
Now, y'all know if these leak, we're gonna cry. Them windows are there to stay, no matter what.
Transition. We're in the dark again. So transition from the light to the dark. So yeah, as you see, whenever the video first started, it was in the light. Now we're in the dark. We finally did a little bit of a light video for you guys on a Monday. But what we're doing right now, I don't know why I do that. What we're doing right now is my good old lovely wife, and not old, young, but old, old down yonder, my old wife. She wanted me to put some more screws up in the daggone ceiling up here. So I daggone to do it, but then we're going to put some little tape that we got here. Little high price tape for a little old tiny little thing here. Little tiny. But it's kind of like drywall tape, cement board. So drywall, 50 foot. We're going to end up having to get more. For sure. You like that, didn't you? But we have to put that up there and tape it. And that way we can mud it and be a lot easier. Hopefully. First time we'll be using it. If you used it before, drop it down in the comments and let me know. How'd it do for you? It's the mesh kind. So, but the drill has disappeared from me. Where'd it go? It's right in front of me. Oh. All right. Oops. And let her know I'm starting. Missed. How's the sticky side?
Is that sticky?
Does it come off easy or I gotta cut it? Ah! Murder. Nope. It's right there at it. I'll admit. Missed. See? Missed. Right there. Looking pretty. What gonna go? It's not. It's not going. Hmm. Finger. Thank you. Thank you. Hey y'all, sorry for the short video again, but time is of the essence. You know, gotta go to bed, get up early. We're gonna mud and tape maybe a couple more spots, but put the rest of the screws in. We mud and tape that one area. We figured something out that if you watch previous videos, and y'all probably pulling your hair out whenever you see with mud and tape, we figured out that you're supposed to, you know, put a little mud to tape, scrape it down, let it dry, sand it off, and do a second coat. Well, we didn't know that until recently. So, apologize for any of y'all that was pulling your hair out because of that reason. But we appreciate you coming back and watching, and keep an eye out for Wednesday's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell to know whenever we get the videos out. Make sure you click subscribe, and that way you can watch those, you know, for those notifications. I love you guys. We'll see you next time. Shalom, y'all.